Ram Narayan Ram. In today's fast-paced life, every person is caught in a race to outdo others. No one is able to find even a moment of peace. In such times, it is essential for us all to engage in self-reflection, listen to our inner self, and follow the guidance of our conscience. No matter what task you undertake in life, your conscience always provides you with the right direction. Therefore, always heed your conscience and listen to your inner self. In today's environment, everyone is searching for happiness and peace. To find these, we wander from place to place. However, we forget that happiness and peace lie within us. We just need to connect with the name Ram Narayan Ram. When you do this, you will see how you experience joy in life. Ram Narayan Ram encompasses the entire universe. This name has the power to transform our lives, removing all fears and anxieties from our minds and filling us with a sense of happiness and prosperity. The sky created nature, brought forth creation, and from creation, we all emerged. Everything is interconnected. These connections provide us energy, awaken our consciousness, and shape our intellect. Whatever actions a person takes, whether right or wrong, our conscience tells us. Our conscience, residing within us, is our inner guide. It alerts us whenever we are about to do something wrong, urging us not to proceed. Additionally, chanting the name Ram Narayan Ram transforms life, uplifts your soul, and fulfills your dreams and desires. It helps you connect with your inner self. This name holds immense power, containing the entire creation within itself. The moment you chant it, you begin to experience self-realization. We are all part of this infinite universe and its universal family, born from the cosmos. Innumerable planets, stars, living beings, plants, animals, atoms, and molecules are alive, conscious, and creative. The universe excludes no one. The universe itself is the cosmic Ram Narayan Ram. From it, countless planets and stars emerge. Wherever there is life, it is encompassed by Ram Narayan Ram. The universe represents the completeness, integrity, and wholeness of Ram Narayan Ram. Our body is a complex machine functioning as a coordinated unit where all organs are interconnected, forming a living system. It is active and creative, filled with bonds of love and affection, making us one united family. Every organ works together as a team without devaluing any part. All living beings, plants, and insects are filled with life and consciousness. Within this bodymachine, billions of people, souls, particles of consciousness, and divine elements coexist. In today's world and the entire universe, countless souls are deprived of life's basic necessities. As a result, people commit injustices, mistakes, and crimes, getting trapped in various wrongful acts. Their restlessness stems from a deep hunger within their hearts and consciousness. Just as a hungry person may cry out in confusion and wonder endlessly, the countless consciousnesses within us influence our actions. From the essence of the name Ram Narayan Ram, countless beings have been created. The countless planets, stars, and constellations in the sky are all filled with life, consciousness, activity, and creativity. They experience thirst, hunger, pain, sorrow, and challenges. They are born and they die, but unlike humans, they are not free to act according to their will, make mistakes, or engage in wrongful acts without consequences. Within us, innumerable thoughts arise, and among them, our conscience intervenes, guiding us and pointing out our errors. However, sometimes we listen, and sometimes we don't, leading to mistakes and mishaps. Now is the time to end these divisions and create a society that is secular and progressive. This is only possible when we listen to our conscience, connect with nature, and regularly chant Ram Narayan Ram. Nature is the greatest religion, and every individual needs to understand this. When a person connects with Ram Narayan Ram, their life becomes stable. The teachings of Ram Narayan Ram always emphasize maintaining a positive mindset.